Hello guys, my name is Satya Prakash. Today we are going to solve a problem. Problem is given an array of size n containing only 0, 1s and 2s. Sort the array in ascending order. You can find out this problem on LeetCode name sort class. Okay, let's understand the problem first. For example, given array is 2, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0. In the resultant array, all the zeros will come first, after that all the ones, and after that all the twos. Hence, the resultant array will be 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2. We will use three-pointer approach to solve the problem. Our first pointer would be at index 0, second pointer would also be at index 0, and third pointer will be at index n-1, which is 8 here. We will check the condition p1 is less than equal to p2 in a while loop. Inside loop, first we will check if value at pointer p1 is 0, we will swap it with value at pointer p0 and increase pointer 1 and 0 by 1. If value at pointer p1 is 2, we will swap it with value at pointer p2 and decrease pointer p2 by 1. And if value at pointer p1 is 1, we will simply increase p1 by 1 without any swapping. Let's apply the algorithm on this array. First, we will check the while loop condition and it is true. After that, we find value at p1 is 2. What we will do now? We will swap the values at p1 and p2 and decrement p2 by 1. Let's do it. This is the second iteration. We will check while loop condition which is true. Okay, now check the value at pointer p1. It is 0. What we will do now? We will swap the value at p1 and p0. In this case, p1 equal to p0, so there will be no impact of swapping on the array. The array will be same and we will increase pointer p1 and p0 by 1. Okay guys, now it is third iteration. It is exactly same as the previous one. You can observe by watching animations. Okay, in the next iteration, while loop condition is again true. This time value at the pointer p1 is 1. So we will increment only pointer p1 by 1. Okay, while loop condition is again true. This time value at the pointer p1 is also 1. So we will increment only pointer 1 by 1. In this iteration, while loop condition is true. Now the value at the pointer p1 is 0. So we will swap the values at the pointer p1, p0 and increment both the pointers by 1. Okay, in the next iteration, while loop condition is again true. This time value at the pointer p1 is 1. So we will increment only pointer p1 by 1. In this iteration, while loop condition is true. Now the value at the pointer p1 is 0. So we will swap the values at the pointer p1, p0 and increment both the pointers by 1. This iteration, while condition is again true and value at the p1 is 2. We will swap between pointer p1 and p2 and decrement p2 by 1. Now what we see, p1 is greater than p2, so while loop condition is false and we will come out of the loop. This is Java code. You can go through it. Thanks for watching.